What's up, everybody? Hey, this video is a 1-week follow-up on the Scott's Bonus S app that I did. We've had some wet weather since then, a couple days of rain here and there, spotty, little scattered showers, and then now we got a little cold front that blew in. So I'm not sure how it's going to respond, but 1 week after the Scott's Bonus S has some quality green up in the backyard. Let's check it out. So as you can see, we've got a lot more green, but I still got some weeds. I know I've heard and read that atrazine usually takes a couple weeks to really take into effect, but there is some spottiness on some of the leaves here and there. So maybe that's actually starting to take effect. I don't know. We'll see. But I still have some weeds around the palms. But the St. Augustine is starting to wake up. So that's good. Positive sight. And here in the front lawn, you can actually see a little bit of a domination line occurring there. Starting to come in, starting to wake up a little bit. Yeah, give it a little bit of time. Hopefully this cold front doesn't slow it down too much. But I think spring is starting to really kick in. All right, guys, so that concludes today's 7-day follow-up on the Scott's Bonus S. As you can see, there's been some good nitrogen results. The grass is greener. However, the weeds are still hanging around. So hopefully we give it another 7 days. I'll do another follow-up video and we'll see more results then. If not, I have another product in mind. I mentioned it in my Scott's Bonus S video. It's that Image Southern Lawn Weed Killer, and I will apply that to the weeds. I may do a blanket spray, I may not, I'm not sure yet. So if you guys enjoyed it, remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell for notifications.